In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all pictures, shapes, and objects in Excel. When you work with Excel files, it is common for images, shapes, and other objects to build up over time. Sometimes these objects are not easy to select one by one, especially if your worksheet has many graphics spread across the page. The method you are about to use makes it quick to select everything of those types and delete it in a single action. First, press the F5 key on your keyboard to open the Go-To window. If you have not used this before, think of it as a shortcut that helps Excel jump to specific cells or selections. After you press F5, keep your eye on the pop-up window that appears. This is the place where you will change what Excel selects. Next, click the special button at the bottom of the Go-To window box. This button is important because it opens an expanded set of options. Instead of choosing a specific cell range, you will use a special selection mode that targets categories like objects. Take a moment to ensure you click the button clearly, since it is easy to miss small controls when a window first appears. After the special window opens, look for the list of radio buttons. Select the radio button labeled Objects from the list options. This tells Excel to gather all items that count as objects on the sheet, such as pictures, shapes, and chart-type objects that behave like objects. You do not need to guess which ones are there. Excel will handle the selection for you based on that object category. Once you have objects selected, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, Excel will automatically select every image, shape, and object that matches your selection setting. You should see multiple items become highlighted across the worksheet, or you may notice a selection outline indicating that objects are now targeted. This is the moment when the method saves time, because it replaces slow manual selecting. Now that everything is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard to erase them all. Make sure you press the standard Delete key rather than any other key, since the goal is to remove the selected objects from the sheet. Excel will immediately remove the pictures, shapes, and objects you targeted. As a final check, look over your worksheet to confirm that the graphics are gone and that your page looks clean. If you had objects spread out in different areas, this selection approach usually covers the entire sheet at once, so you should see consistent results. If anything remains, that usually means those items were not considered objects in the way Excel categorized them, but in most cases, this method clears everything that falls under the object selection, that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.